Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we are on a 2023 Tige ZX23. This can be a 23-foot hybrid V-bow, so up in the bow you will have a true 8/6 beam here in the middle that kind of tapers off to the V in the front. You will have a filler cushion if you want to have it all enclosed or open it up for that walk through to the bow. As you walk in, you'll notice that this seating arrangement is similar to all these surf boats on the market. You will have this pop-down seat if you just wanted to have the seating throughout. Stereo has been upgraded on this to the Audison sound system. So the Audison sound system is an Italian custom-made stereo system. It is clear all the way up to 95% on the screen. This will have the interior lighting package as well. It will have the heated seats, the heater package. So this is a very well-equipped boat. So you look at the screen, Tige's done a great design. They have all of your systems off to the right, your keyless entry, controls behind the steering wheel, so you never have to take your eyes off the surfer or the lake to know to turn your stereo up. All the action sports are on the left. All of your wake and audio are on the left. Battery is in the glove box, so you don't have to worry about telling people to get up to get to your battery switch or trying to figure out. They're all located in there. The back of the boat, as you walk through, you'll notice that your seat has a cushion cutout. This will allow you to have to not step on your seats to get off to the back of the boat, get in, and use all of the surfing and wakeboarding capabilities. This boat, along with many other Tiges, are for sale here at MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. So give us a call when you're ready to surf.